Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to get Delta Executor for iPhone. Now you need to get the Delta Executor IPA file, and to get it you should navigate to the link that I will leave down below in the description of the video. You should just download it as displayed right here, and once you download it you should now go to the file list and click on these three horizontal dots, then choose import, and now you have to navigate to the file itself, click on it, then import it, and once you import it you can install it by using any one of the softwares or the applications that I will mention now. Scarlet, eSign, or by using PC with sideload link. Here I will use eSign to navigate to the imported data and click on install. And once you click on install, you should wait for a couple of minutes and you will find out that here you have the application installed on your phone. Now you can open it as you can see and sign in, and congratulations, now we have it. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.